My name is Damien Di Rosario. I'm founder and CEO of V2verify.
In this video, I am going to show you how you can log into a web startup portal without having to use a user ID or password. The process is fairly simple. All you do is start our V2 mobile app and answer two simple questions. The first question can be any random question, but in this case, it will be my phone number. Then the app will display 4 random numbers on the screen and ask me to repeat it. Once I repeat it, the process is complete. Let me show you how it works. 402-516-4224, 5161, and the process is as simple as that. You are logged on.
Please contact us for further details.